So I just walk out in the rain, so that the clouds can have the pain. And baby, you will never see the thousand tears you gave to me. And if the rain should go away, there in my lonely room I stay, so that the world would never know how much it hurt to see you go away. So I just live a life of hope, pretending that I couldn't care. But if you find you cannot come, just call my name and I'll be there. If I could live my life again, I still relive those precious times. Although I know that would be pain, I feel so good while you were mine. Be together live a life that nobody has really ever seen. They go to bed together every night, forgetting all the problems go around the crazy head. Remembering the sessions that they had for many times.